In this video, I'll show you a great looking accessory for the lower grille of the Cybertruck, and that's the Hansshow front LED light bar for the lower grille. Now in a previous video, I installed this grille mounted light bar that was well suited for off-roading as it threw off a fairly decent amount of light. And although this white LED light strip is bright, I think it's a bit more on a decorative side in my opinion, but there is a yellow version that would really do well as a fog light. Anyway, I'll leave links in the description below, which will include a 20% discount to this light as well as other Hansshow products. Now, before I show you the installation, let me show you what comes inside the box. The LED light strip, which is actually 6 individual strips that snap into the Cybertruck's lower grille, a wiring harness, tie wraps, 2 wire nuts, and a trim removal tool. There's also a QR code for installation instructions that you can print out if you want. However, this installation is honestly very easy, as I'll show you now. To begin, the Cybertruck's plastic front tub needs to be removed. It's held in place by 4 lower 10mm bolts, 2 upper 10mm bolts, and there's also an upper trim panel, front stops, a washer fluid cap, and a wire to the lighted front closing button that needs to be disconnected. So let's begin with removing the upper trim panel, which pulls off rather easily. Unscrew the left and right front stops counterclockwise to remove them. Use a ratchet or socket driver to remove the 10mm bolts in the lower part of the front tub. Also, I have the Tesla front L-track and cargo net accessory from Tesla, which actually exposes these 10mm bolts. So you'll need to use the supplied trim removal tool to remove this trim piece first, and that will give you access to those 10mm bolts. Now, once these 4 bolts are removed, go to the upper level to remove these 10mm bolts that are located here. Next, lift the tub slightly to disconnect this lighted front close button with a small screwdriver, which helps to release it. You will also need to pop off the windshield washer fluid cap. The tub can now be lifted off to gain access to the Tesla wire needed to power the LED light strip. Now, I've already used this particular wire for the first Hansshow light bar that I showed you earlier, but this is what it will look like in its original state. Now, this is basically 3 wires that are all taped up together. Once the black tape is peeled away, you'll see these 3 wires. But all you'll need are the red and the blue-brown wires. So just go ahead and strip the sheathing off those 2 wires now. Now we'll begin by placing the individual LED lights into the grille. But first, you'll want to disconnect these connections between each light before you begin. And placing the lights into the grille is as simple as snapping them in one by one and then reconnecting the lights to each other as you move from the driver's side to the passenger side. And the reason you'll move from right to left is because the last light has the connection to the wiring harness that runs up into the front itself. But before we can snake the wire harness up into the front, you'll need to remove this rubber trim piece around the tow hook. Now this simply comes off by pulling it straight out. Now with that out of the way, you can snake the wire harness upward into the front area. Once you've done that, then connect the last LED light to the harness in the exact same way that each individual LED light was connected to each other. At this point, you can push the rubber trim piece that fits around the tow hook back into place. Now it's time to connect both sets of wires together by matching the Tesla red wire to the Hansshow red wire, and then the Tesla blue-brown wire to the Hansshow black wire, and twisting them together with the supplied wire nuts. When you're all done, it will look like this. Also, now is a good time to test the light before we go ahead and button everything up. To do this, go to the Cybertruck screen and hit Menu, Outlets and Mods, and then tap the front power on-screen toggle switch to turn them on. Now, although this step isn't necessary, I went ahead and used electrical tape to wrap the wire nuts and then bundle all the wires together as neat as possible. For the last step, it's time to button everything up, which is pretty much done in reverse. By placing the tub back in, reconnecting the front closed light switch wire, replacing the two 10mm bolts on top, and then the 4 on the bottom, snapping the upper trim back into place, fitting the washer fluid cap back down, screwing the trunk stops back on, and then a quick test of the lighted front button, and we're done with a pretty nice looking set of LED light strips for the front grille. Also, you can get a little fancy by staggering the placement of these if you like. So that's the Hansshow front LED light bar for the lower grille for the Tesla Cybertruck. Hansshow is currently running a nice sale on this right now, so if you use my link in the description below, you'll get an additional 20% discount on this or any other Hansshow accessory. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, which helps get this video out to other Cybertruck owners that might also find it helpful. Also, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you are alerted to any new video that I post in the future. And most importantly, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.
Passing through max Q, point of greatest aerodynamic pressure on the vehicle.